All right, so what we're gonna do on this one now is gonna do a combination of full and half press up. So what we're gonna try and do is focus on lowering down in the full press up and then pushing up in the half. Okay, till over time, then you start to build up more strength and you'll then go on to doing full press ups completely, okay? So this is how we'll do it. We'll go into, first of all, your full press up from the start. So you're gonna go into your full there. So you get your hands need to be slightly wider than shoulder width, okay? You need to have your hips up nice and high, so not down here, okay, yeah, but not up here as well. But they're just there, bang in the middle, and keep your stomach nice and tight. From that position there, you're just gonna slowly lower it down, and you're leading with the chest. So it's the chest that you're leading towards the ground, all the way down like so. You'll lose it there, let go of it, then go onto your knees, okay? So from your knees there at that point, keep your stomach nice and tight, and then slowly then push yourself back to the top, like so. Back onto your toes, slowly lowering down, leading with the chest, lose it at the bottom there, go to knees, push back up, like so.